2025 Can-Am Ryker, the ultimate three-wheel adventure machine. The 2025 Can-Am Ryker is not just a ride, it's an experience. Designed for both beginners and experienced riders, this three-wheel motorcycle combines power, stability, and customization like never before. With a bold, aggressive stance and a range of exciting features, the Ryker is built to turn heads while offering an effortless and exhilarating ride. Whether you're looking for a reliable commuter, a long-distance tourer, or a machine built for adventure, the Ryker delivers on all fronts. At first glance, the Ryker's rugged yet modern design stands out. Its low-slung frame and wide stance not only contribute to its aggressive look but also enhance stability, making it an excellent choice for those new to motorcycles. The LED lighting system ensures high visibility, day or night, while the customizable body panels allow riders to create a machine that reflects their personality. Available in various color options, the Ryker is all about personalization, with adjustable handlebars, foot pegs, and brake pedals that adapt to any rider's height and comfort preference. Beneath the striking design lies a powerful heart. The 2025 Can-Am Ryker offers two engine options to cater to different riding styles. The 600cc Rotax twin-cylinder engine provides a smooth and balanced performance, ideal for city riding and weekend getaways. Meanwhile, the 900cc Rotax triple-cylinder engine packs more power for riders who crave speed and adrenaline. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, ensuring a seamless and effortless riding experience. No clutch, no manual shifting, just pure twist-and-go convenience. Additionally, the Ryker features Eco Mode for fuel efficiency and Sport Mode for sharper acceleration, allowing riders to switch between a relaxed cruise and a thrilling ride in an instant. When it comes to handling, the Ryker's three-wheel design provides a level of stability that traditional motorcycles can't match. The Vehicle Stability System (VSS), developed in partnership with Bosch, integrates traction control, anti-lock brakes (ABS), and stability assist, ensuring a smooth, controlled ride in any condition. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or hitting the open road, the Ryker's responsive handling and low center of gravity give riders unmatched confidence. The U-Fit system allows for ergonomic adjustments, making the ride comfortable for people of all sizes. The seat is designed for long-distance comfort, and for those who love adventure, the Ryker Rally Edition comes with enhanced suspension and off-road ready tires, making it capable of handling gravel roads and rough terrains with ease. In today's world, technology is just as important as performance, and the 2025 Ryker doesn't disappoint. A modern digital display provides real-time information, including speed, fuel level, and trip details, while the USB charging port ensures your devices stay powered on the go. The keyless ignition system adds a layer of convenience, allowing riders to start their journey without fumbling for keys. One of the Ryker's most practical features is reverse gear, making parking and maneuvering effortless, something that sets it apart from traditional motorcycles. For those looking to buy, Can-Am offers several models at different price points to fit every rider's needs. The Ryker 600 Ace, starting at $9,599, is the perfect entry-level model for beginners. The Ryker 900 Ace, priced at $11,299, brings a more powerful engine for those who want extra performance. The Ryker Sport 900 Ace, at $12,499, offers additional sporty features, including enhanced suspension and a more aggressive look. Finally, the Ryker Rally 900 Ace, at $14,599, is built for adventure, featuring off-road capabilities and rally-inspired upgrades. No matter which model you choose, you're guaranteed a machine that blends excitement, comfort, and cutting-edge design. So, who is the Can-Am Ryker for? If you're a beginner, its low center of gravity and automatic transmission make it a fantastic first ride. If you're a touring enthusiast, the comfortable seat and fuel-efficient engine make long rides enjoyable. And if you're an adventure seeker, the Rally Edition's off-road capabilities ensure you can take your journey beyond paved roads. The Ryker truly caters to a wide range of riders, making it one of the most versatile three-wheelers on the market today.